What's up, guys? Alec here. Hope you're all having a great day. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I have an extremely important topic that I think is going to highly benefit and help all the people on my channel and anyone viewing my videos for the first time. This is going to could possibly save you thousands of dollars. And as you see from the title, it is something I ran into once, and I want to share this experience with you so that you guys know what to do and you don't run into something similar like I did. And I'm going to share that experience with you right now. So what happened was I was sourcing a product. It looked amazing when the product first started becoming hot, and it was a baby product that infants use. So basically, I went through everything. I got just up to the point where I was about to send a deposit to the supplier in China to have about 600 units produced and manufactured for me. I went through everything. I did testing. I created something unique. I did everything in the books that you should do. From my experience, I created everything. I talked to people at Amazon. I spoke to the suppliers. I searched everything online, all the due diligence that I speak about on my channel, and I tell you all to look out for, and the key and major things to always do. You need to check yourself, triple check yourself before you decide to go into a product. You have to make sure that it's not only sales wise, but actually is safe to sell on Amazon, and you're not going to run into any issues legally or patent issues or anything like that. I have other videos like that on my channel if you want to take a look at. I highly recommend taking a look at them. But in this case, I went through everything. I had everything ready. This was the product I was about to sell was a baby sleep wedge positioner. And if you're not familiar with that, what it is, it's just basically a pillow, and it's like a wedge, and the baby is in the center, and it basically cradles the baby. So, I mean, what do you think can go wrong with that? I mean, it's just a pillow and a baby lays in it. It's really nothing out of the ordinary. So I mean, the demand was amazing. I knew kind of what the range of what I could be selling with this product, and I was kind of all ready to go. Suppliers all straightened out, everything was good to go. But then I did one thing, and this one thing that I did saved me $8,000 that I was about to put down on this product. And if I didn't do this, I would have absolutely lost all that money, and I would have been stuck with 600 of these sleep wedge positioners, not knowing what to do with them. So I want to tell you what I did to prevent that, and what you guys could do as well. What happened was I created what's called a ghost listing, and that's basically before you purchase your inventory and you tell your suppliers to go and manufacture it. Here's what you have to do. Create a fake listing just with all the title, bullet points, throw an image in there, UPC code, simulate an actual listing, but you don't have to put all the work into it, but make sure all your keywords are in there and everything's in there that could possibly trigger an Amazon system. What happened with this product was there was a regulation that was put out that was causing suffocation, and there were instances and cases that were causing suffocation related to this product. And I'm going to show you right now that I was searching and I found this after I got a notification from Amazon after creating that ghost listing saying this product is restricted, you can't sell it on Amazon. Now I was confused because other people were selling this on Amazon, so I wasn't really understanding why I couldn't sell it on Amazon. I contacted Amazon, I called them, and just a quick little tip, if you guys contact Amazon, make sure that you contact at least 5 or 6 different people, because every person at Amazon is going to tell you something different. Not everybody is on the same page, and you could be contacting overseas and they're not too understanding about what you're trying to get to. Make sure you contact a few of them and really nail down the any possibilities of problems or restrictions you could possibly have with a product. So also search everything and make sure that there could be no issues along the way. I did all this. But if it wasn't that I created that ghost listing or a fake sample listing with all the information that I would be putting into my actual listing, I would have never seen this happen. So if you're not familiar, in the top left-hand corner of your Amazon account, there are notifications there. So I got a red flag right there, and it was a seller performance notification. I clicked on that, and it said something to the effect that, sorry, this product is restricted on Amazon, you cannot sell it. Now imagine if I had all my units shipped in there, and they had done that. I would have had to remove all 600 units. They would have been sitting at my house, and I would have had nothing to do with all these units. I would have been $8,000 in the negative, and there goes that. So you guys must do this. Create a fake ghost listing before you do this, and leave it up there for, I would say, 2 weeks, just so that Amazon's system runs through it, and they're gonna, if anything has an issue, they're gonna pull it and let you know. And it's much better off, trust me, knowing that you can't sell a product before you even go through all the hassle of getting 600 units, all your time, and it'll be frustrating to get your products into Amazon and get that notification. So you guys do not want that. Learn from my experience, and that's why I'm here sharing my experiences on this channel. So here is what I searched and found. And I searched everything, and I was very confused that I couldn't find anything that said these products were restricted. So what happened was, Amazon is a huge company, and they want to cover all their bases. They do not want a huge lawsuit, being that a baby died because they were using one of the products that were sold on their platform. They do not want that. So Amazon, if there is any issues, they're going to ban or remove any products that fall into these categories, even without publishing it on their website as restricted. They're gonna act first. They're gonna stop all these products, and then later they're going to put it in writing. So I searched around after I got this notification, and here's the product. It's a baby sleep wedge positioner, and these popped up all over Amazon. They were doing amazing. I had everything all planned out, and it was gonna be crush it and be an amazing product. Then after they told me that I couldn't sell it, I got the notification. I searched around, I did some research, and I Googled it, and this is what I found, this article post on the U.S. Food and Drug Administration as a restriction. Do not use infant sleep positioners due to the risk of suffocation. And if Amazon sees anything like this, or there are any chances of problems that are reported with the products that are on Amazon, they are going to ban and put out regulations, even if the product is not on Amazon in writing as restricted. And you could search. I called people. There was nothing there. What does it say, guys? Create a listing and leave it up there for a little while, 1-2 weeks. Make sure that nothing is they're not going to run through and say this is not approved or banned. So this basically laid it all out as to why they weren't allowing these products to be sold on Amazon anymore. And they even have like a video here, and I'll show you this real quick. So you guys get the point. If something like this occurs, Amazon is not going to allow you to sell it. And I was thinking, there are still people selling this on Amazon. Why are they still allowed to sell this? The thing is they will eventually get taken off, and they will ban them from selling it as well. They just haven't got to it yet. So do not get into a product that is like this. I'm sharing my experiences. Do your due diligence, and even if you call them, search everything on Amazon to make sure it's not restricted, go a step further and create a listing, a ghost listing, and put all the titles, all the keywords in that you think could possibly flag the Amazon system. And if you do this, you're going to be in a much better situation. it saved me from losing $8,000 and having a complete headache on my hand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's just true experience that I want to share with you guys. I just truly hope it helped you. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I'm constantly putting out videos about Amazon FBA, freedom, living the laptop lifestyle. So subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.